take 2 of the wife, this guy.
Owen's wife. Alright, so we're not trying at all, because first round was great, but then he ruined it, so.
Yeah, you know. No. We gotta do my beautiful.
Oh yeah. I keep on forgetting about how talented you are when drawing mouths.
Thank you. Oh, I love it. Oh, I
Oh
love
my
it.
goodness.
Oh, geez. Wait.
Make a really crooked one. Make it really crooked. I want to make it
shut up,
really,
Owen.
really crooked. He's racist. Oh, that's her line. And yes, it's a he.
What do you
Owen
mean?
is gay.
I am not gay.
Wait, hold on. No, he just doesn't want to admit it on live.
Do the smearing.
Oh, shut up, Owen.
Show up.
It's just like him.
Just like
Beautiful.
him. No hairline.
Okay.
Let's add the.
What in the world?
Okay. Oh, beautiful body there. I love it.
And he said his wife doesn't wear anything, so we're just gonna add a nice little towel.
Or we're just gonna. I'm gonna get my thick black marker. I'm getting my thick black marker really quickly. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna pause this. Paused.
Nah, it's
Okay, I got my thick black marker here.
Still doing it?
Wait, hold on. No, film. Hold on.
I'll film it.
Alright, hold it.
Yours. It's Mr.
Alright, stop.
We can't say his name.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Well,
now-
that's not Mr.
Alright, that's
It's
his
somebody else.
Oh, shut up, Owen. You already ruined it. Said it again.
That's his towel.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, why are we censoring the upper part? It's a guy.
Well,
I'll just do this down here then.
Okay then.
alright, let me add in some upper body part stuff.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
We don't need this part because it's not a girl.
Alright, let's add in the one hair, because they have cancer, but it's okay,
Because, you know, it's growing back there. But then we got
they
some
just got treated
scissors.
for breast cancer.
And oh yeah, that's why I can't. Oh dear. Wait.
They have chemotherapy.
Okay. So anyways, so then we got the barber and his big long hand ready to cut the single hair off.
His big long one singular hand.
Yep.
One finger, because he only uses one finger.
Yeah. No. Here's the other.
table.
Let's draw Owen in the background.
It doesn't matter. Look at the table. It doesn't matter. Oh dear. Oh dear.
What is this?
Oh dear.
goes like that.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
This is
That's Owen in the background.
Okay, we gotta like make it thicker. Thick.
The hairline must be thick as
Thicker. What do you mean you have none? You don't have a hairline.
This is your wife, and your wife looks almost like you.
Well, your wife is actually a guy though.
I am not.
Look at all his fingers. All the beautiful fingers.
How many fingers do you have?
I have no idea, but whoever's watching can count. It's like a spider like mutated into his arm.
There's Owen.
Beautiful. Yep. All right.
Can I use your thick marker?
No, you cannot. Beautiful. All right then. You know, Owen loves his beautiful wife, husband. But you know, we can't show all of it because that we're trying to keep this a PG thing. But,
Let's end the video here.
5 people. I hope you liked the drawing. Take 2. And Owen loves his wife, husband.